Hey, I just wanted to let you know I had a video on YouTube that I took down because it was just too negative, and I want to apologize and just say I'm sorry for foisting that negativity upon you. It wasn't necessary. I'm not going to even get into what it was, but you might have seen it. So instead, I'm going to switch gears and talk about something more positive. The negativity was based on some reaction to my artwork that I created, and I just didn't use good judgment in posting the video I did, so I deleted it. And instead, I want to go on a more positive note, if I may, and share with you the progress of the portrait of my wife. And I'm really first of all, I want to say thank you. So many people gave me so many kind words on this portrait, and it really has encouraged me in many ways. So thank you so much. You know, you shared how the painting looks so lifelike and it's so full of love, and I truly have painted this to honor my wife, Leah, who has stuck with me through the years of being a full-time artist and encouraged me to not give up. And so, anyway, I want to just share a quick little video instead of the one I had out there, that positively shows the process of painting with the glazing technique, with the sketch, and adding layer upon layer, using glazes where we mix a little bit of paint with a large amount of matte medium and build up the color, build up the shading, build up the depth, and create a really smoothly painted, realistic portrait with a lot of vibrancy, a lot of depth, a lot of nuances. And I'm just so thankful for the fact that I could paint this, and God gave me this talent to do this, and I can also share it with other students who are using this talent to paint beautiful portraits of their own and beautifying the world around them. So, this is the process. You can see it's kind of like a Polaroid photo. It all comes together, and little by little, just paint it and add, continual layers on it, and finally finish the painting with the signature. So, I want to share this quick video with you. I want to say thank you so much for your encouragement in this YouTube channel. And I will be launching this class. I'll be opening up the class for enrollment. It actually is basically finished, just have to varnish the painting, but the entire process is out there. I think just about every hour of the painting is recorded. There might be a few lapses in between, but I have the step-by-step process of this painting out there in my class, and I'm going to be sharing that soon. But I just want to share this with you, this kind of step-by-step in process series of images showing the sketch to the finished painting. And you can do this as well. You can paint using the glazing technique and preserve the likeness of your sketch, and really take baby steps to painting a portrait just one little layer at a time. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. God bless you, and look forward to sharing more with you in the future. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and look forward to sharing more with you. And God bless you. We'll talk to you soon. Take care.